Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find your GitHub history. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically first you will be needing just to understand how Git works. So basically Git is only recording your own changes in your folder or in your projects. And basically it starts creating a commit history like all the records of all the changes that you have committed. And basically to access to these commits or to this commit history, you can do it in many ways. Either you can use your local repository and use some git uh, settings or some git commands, or you can simply go to repository here in GitHub, and basically here you will find branches, etc. And as you can see, if we go here to our repo, here we will find something called 14 commits or whatever. So here in the corner, you will find a history icon. And this one would show you all the history that are pushed to your remote repository. It might be that you didn't uh, push some commits from your local repository to remote repository. So basically they won't be showing here. So you can see those are all my commits. And this is my history. This one was in September 10th. And basically you can see the dates, what has been changed in those commits. So if we access to these commits, you will find all the files changed, etc. You can do the same on your GitHub desktop. You can simply go to any repository. Here we are on Bookbot. I'm just going to click on it. We go to history, and basically it is the same history, and you can see the time for these changes, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.